everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today I have purchased 2 Stitch Fix Freestyle items. If you just recently watched my Stitch Fix unboxing video, I'm hoping that they're getting the hint of what things that I'm willing to pay for and what I'm not willing to pay for. These 2 items got on sale, and when they got on sale, that's when I decided to purchase them. And they both came from the Arizona warehouse. I am convinced that's the warehouse now hoarding all the inventory that I want. So hopefully now the algorithm will point me to that warehouse and give me the brands that I am interested in. First up is this 100% viscose top that I got from them. It's cloth and stone. It's this very delicate light pink. It has elasticized around here, the sleeves, and a little bit, I guess a little bit of a poof, not much. And it has an elasticized bottom. Nice, soft, comfortable, breathable fabric for summer. It's in, again, this light pink. It's a size extra small. It is a little bit big on me, but nothing that I can't deal with. I just have to be careful when I bend over and don't pull it all the way down. So, but other than that, I think it's a great little summer top, and I'm looking forward to wearing this. All right, give me a minute. I'll try on the next piece for you. Next up is this Liverpool vest. This is 95% polyester, 5% spandex. It has welt pockets that are actually very small but functioning right here. The working button is down here, but I was able to pull this over my head. It's in navy blue. It pretty much fits my armpits, no issues there. It's a very comfortable little vest. It is fully lined, so I would not be wearing this in the dead of heat of summer because it is mostly polyester and fully lined. Do really like this vest. Both items I would have never purchased if they didn't go on sale, but they went on sale and on my wish list, so there I grabbed them. If you haven't checked out their sale category, do so, because I'm starting to notice a lot more newer items also going on sale. And I mentioned it, my friend Shannon is also my stylist. I mentioned it to her, and her response was, well, yeah, doesn't retail usually do that? So it's like about time Stitch Fix is starting to put clothing on sale. So my suggestion is to check that out daily. Maybe something you would like is on there. I also recommend doing a massive wish list because your stylist can see that now. If you save items to your list, they can see that and potentially pull from them. And when I say massive, I mean massive, because you don't put like 4 or 5 items, because the chances of 4 or 5 items being available to the stylist, very unlikely. Create a massive list of things that you might remotely be interested in trying on. And I think that has helped me. My past 2 fixes prior to the one that I'm unboxing today were awful. I'm hoping that they figured it out and figured out what I like now and are starting to give me items that I want, hopefully. So yeah, okay, those are my 2 items. Actually, let me turn around so you can see there is no belt back here, it's just a plain back. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me the thumbs up. And take care, and see you until next time.